Hello there, it's Cassie with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release for the release called Sending Smooches. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Scripty Love die set. This is a 10-piece die set that cuts out 5 sentiments in a large script font as well as a shadow layer for each. You can mix and match those words to make sentiments such as sending my love or I love you. Now let's make a quick card to showcase these dies. For our background, I'm going to be pulling in the brand new Bed of Roses layering stencil along with some white cardstock that I'll just tape down to my glass mat, and then I will put the first layer down with a little bit of purple tape, and I'm going to bring out my blender buddies along with some sweet petunia pink, and I'm going to just blend those little roses with that sweet petunia pink, adding some darker shades into certain areas, and then just blending out so that there's some variation in the color. And then once we're done with that, we'll pull on the leaves. So we'll take the leaves and we'll tape those down, doing the same process. And then I'll take another blender buddy along with some goddess green, and then I'll blend that all over for the leaves. And now we'll assemble our sentiments from the Scripty Love die set. We have sending, my, and love. And as you can see, I cut those out of pink cardstock, and the background is a light green cardstock. I have 2 strips of that same pink cardstock that I'm just going to stick on top. I thought I'd use my T-ruler, changed my mind because it ended up just being easier to use the glass mat as a way to make sure that those are on fairly straight. I'm just attaching those down with a little bit of liquid glue. And once those are on there, I'm going to attach down the words my and love to their shadowed backgrounds, just using that same liquid glue. And then to attach each of the words down where you use that same liquid glue, you could use some foam tape if you wanted, so that way it'd add a lot of fun dimension. But I figured I would make this card flat because I do want to add some embellishments. And then once those are all attached down, we're going to pull out some flat back sequins. I'll attach down my card panel to a card base that measured 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches and was scored at 4.25 inches. And then I will take my flat back sequins and attach those down using a crystal katana and my same liquid glue. And as you can see, my embellishments were in my tidy tray. And that will finish off our card using the new Scripty Love die set. So let's take a closer look at that card, and then I'm also going to show you a couple of other cards that the rest of the design team made. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and then check out the rest of what Trinity Stamps has going on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram. Have a great day!